When you search for the best motorcycle hitch carriers, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to really understand what works and what doesn't, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, DEGLE Hitch Tightener. First up is the DEGLE Hitch Tightener. This little gem caught my attention because it's super affordable at just $9.97 and has an impressive 4.7-star rating from over 2,500 reviews. If you want to eliminate hitch movement and enjoy a smooth ride, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The DEGLE tightener features a robust design with a powder-coated finish, which means it can handle tough bumps in adverse weather. Its universal compatibility with most hitch classes 1, 2, 3, 4 ensures it's perfect for various vehicles, from SUVs to RVs. And let's be real, no one wants a noisy, shaky ride when hauling gear or bikes. This product minimizes that rattle, giving you a much more enjoyable journey. With 4,000 units sold last month, people are clearly loving it. Now, some users have mentioned that installation can be a bit tricky if you're not handy, which could be frustrating. But here's the thing, once you get it right, it works wonders to extend the life of your towing equipment, making it a smart investment for anyone who frequently hauls. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an inexpensive way to stabilize your hitch setup. Skip this one if you need a complete carrier system, as this is really just a stabilizer. For under $10, it's a no-brainer. Now, if that slight installation hassle concerned you, the next option might be perfect for a more straightforward setup. Product number 2, Black Widow Aluminum Dirt Bike Carrier. Next up is the Black Widow Aluminum Dirt Bike Hitch Carrier priced at $179.99. With a solid 4.5-star rating from 2,000 reviews, this carrier is designed to haul bikes with ease and caught my eye for its lightweight yet durable aluminum build. If you're looking for something that combines strength and convenience, this one is worth checking out. This carrier can handle up to 400 pounds, making it suitable for various bikes, including motorcycles and e-bikes. The roll-on, roll-off ramp is a game-changer, allowing you to load your bike effortlessly. Plus, the anti-rattle device keeps everything snug during transport, which is crucial for avoiding damage on bumpy roads. It's compatible with Class 3 or 4 hitches, making it a versatile choice for many vehicle types. Given that over 400 units were sold just last month, it's clearly popular among bikers. However, a few users pointed out that the ramp could be a bit flimsy, which might be a concern for heavier bikes. But let's be honest, as long as you use it properly, it's designed to make loading simple and safe, which is what most people need. This is perfect for you if you want a lightweight and easy-to-handle solution for transporting your bike. Skip this if you have a particularly heavy motorcycle, as you might need something with a higher weight capacity. Still, for the price and functionality, it offers great value. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for more weight capacity. Product number 3, EGO Bike Carrier Hauler. The third product on our list is the EGO Bike 500 pounds steel motorcycle carrier hauler, priced at $92.99. With a rating of 4.0 stars from 880 reviews, this carrier is built for those who need reliable strength. If safety and security during transport are your top priorities, this carrier is worth considering. This carrier boasts a hefty load capacity of 500 pounds, which means it can accommodate most motorcycles and scooters. The anti-tilt locking device prevents wobbling, ensuring your bike stays secure even on bumpy roads. Plus, its heavy-duty steel construction makes it durable, while the ramp design allows for easy loading. It's designed for 2-inch receiver hitches, so it fits a wide range of vehicles. Given that it's portable and easy to assemble, this product has been a popular choice lately. However, some reviews mention that the carrier is heavier and can be a bit cumbersome to handle solo. But here's the thing, if you're serious about hauling heavier bikes, the additional weight can actually add to the stability once mounted. This is perfect for you if you need a robust carrier that can handle larger bikes without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you're looking for something lightweight and easy to manage by one person. For the price, it's a solid investment for heavy-duty use. Now, If you're looking for even more capacity and features, the next product might just blow you away. Product number 4, Black Widow Dual Dirt Bike Carrier. Coming in at number 4 is the Black Widow Aluminum Dual Dirt Bike Carrier, priced at $329.99. With a 4.2-star rating from 528 reviews, this one stood out because it allows you to haul 2 bikes at once. If you often ride with a buddy, this carrier can save you a lot of hassle. This carrier can hold up to 600 pounds total, meaning each track can support 400 pounds, making it perfect for 2 small motorcycles or dirt bikes. It features a convenient loading ramp that attaches to either side, and it includes an anti-rattle device for a stable ride. Its lightweight aluminum design makes it easy to handle despite its capacity. The reviews show that people appreciate the ease of loading and the security it offers during transport, making it a popular choice for weekend riders. That said, some users reported issues with it fitting certain bike sizes, particularly larger models. But let's be real. If you're using it for compatible bikes, it's a fantastic option and offers more flexibility than single carriers. This is perfect for you if you frequently ride with a partner and need a reliable way to transport 2 bikes. Skip this one if you have larger motorcycles that may not fit. It's a bit pricier, but you're getting a lot of value with the dual capacity. Now, if you're after something even sturdier, wait till you hear about our last option. Product number 5, Ecatric Heavy Duty Carrier. Last but not least is the Ecatric 600 pounds black motorcycle carrier, available for $206.82. With a 4.1-star rating from 685 reviews, this heavy-duty option really impressed me with its sturdiness. If you're looking for something that can handle heavy bikes and challenging conditions, this should be on your radar. This carrier is designed to support up to 600 pounds, which is ideal for larger motorcycles or heavier dirt bikes. Its steel construction means it's not only strong, but also rust-proof, so you don't have to worry about the weather. The loading ramp is included, and it features quick-release locks for fast and easy loading. The dimensions are generous, so it accommodates various bike sizes. Given its positive reviews and recent sales, it's clear that many riders trust this product. However, a few buyers noted that it comes in 2 packages, which some found inconvenient. But honestly, once you get it set up, the durability and stability it provides make it worth the extra effort. This is perfect for you if you have heavier bikes and need a reliable and sturdy carrier. Skip this if you're looking for something lightweight and easy to handle on your own. For the price and build quality, this is a strong contender. So, we've covered a range of options today, from budget-friendly stabilizers to heavy-duty carriers. Each product offers something unique depending on your hauling needs. To wrap it up, we've looked at the DGLE Hitch Tightener for stability, the Black Widow Aluminum Dirt Bike Carrier for lightweight hauling, the EGO Bike Carrier for heavy-duty use, the Black Widow Dual Carrier for transporting 2 bikes, and the Ecatric for its sheer strength. Regardless of what you choose, there's a solid option for every biker out there. Happy riding!